and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruth, and today we're going to be trying the Urban Cheesecraft DIY vegan feta cheese. That was actually given to me by one of my fellow yogis at Mantra Yoga in Danvers. Thanks, girl. The whole community there is like wicked supportive. I really appreciate everybody that's there, so thank you, home skillets. Let's get to the video. Alrighty, so this is the first one I've ever done. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright, we've got some fancy descriptions, links to some more things. Wow, okay. Just one little packet. This is one little packet of stuff. Dairy-free feta ingredients. Alright. Part of our step 2 apparently. Let's get started. So here are all of our instructions. First off, we're going to be choosing a nut base. I'm going with option A because that's just almond flour instead of having to soak any nuts. Number 2, we're going to be blending. Then we're going to be cooking. Then we're going to be shaping. Alright. Alright, so we've got our blender bottle out. Just going to be adding 1 1/4 cup of drinking water. Now we're going to add the included ingredient packet. Magic! And our 1 cup of almond flour. That's a cup, right? Ease, not perfection. Got some crumbs on the counter. Don't care, it's all good. Girl, I don't even need to blend it. Just shake it up. So apparently we're just gonna cook it. Ooh, look, we're getting chunks. Look at that. Oh, exciting. It definitely smells like feta. I've been cooking it for maybe like 3 minutes. So I just turned off the heat. It's pretty thick. I think it's good. I'm gonna take it off the burner. Now I just so happen to have a handy dandy square plastic container. Not glass, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Going for ease, not perfection, right? Oh, my OCD is coming out. Okay. And we're just gonna simply pour it on in. Hopefully it's simple. I'm gonna plop it with a spoon. Ooh! We did it! Okay, that's a square. And it says to smooth out the top, so we're going to attempt to do that with a knife because I don't feel like dirtying up a spatula. Lazy cooking. Kind of wonky on one side, but who really cares, right? I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Here we go, our almost finished product. Just gonna pop it in the fridge for 20 minutes. All right, so we've waited our designated 20 minutes and this is what we've got. It looks pretty much the same as before, right? We're gonna plop it out onto a plate. Easy peasy. Now, I am not a huge fan of eating on camera, but obviously, we have to taste test this. My friend Evie was very upset that I didn't taste test my macaroni salad recipe, so here you go, Evie. Me eating on camera. Girl. That's some hella tasty feta. Hella tasty. I approve. Good job, Urban Cheesecraft. I think I would let this sit in the fridge a little bit longer, get a little bit harder, and then be able to crumble it. Now we're all done with our Urban Cheesecraft DIY vegan feta block. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to try out your own favorite cheese vegan style. I'll leave their site down below in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Girl, that powder though.